Hey, I am Prince Ray Ray with your latest AI news powered by Xtream Solutions. Alright, let's begin with today's top story. Metis Agent introduces an advanced AI framework with a suite of over 36 tools, enterprise-level security, and a smart orchestrator for intelligent tool selection. This framework offers a secure E2B Code Sandbox, enhanced analytics, and developer-focused features like Git integration. With integration with LLM providers and support for models like GPT-4 and Claude, Metis Agent provides advanced capabilities for AI development. Its powerful command line interface allows for interactive chat, secure code execution, and API key management. Users can leverage starter templates for various use cases, access the API through a web server, and contribute to the project under the Apache License 2.0. The extensive resources provided make Metis Agent a valuable tool for developers and researchers in the AI field. That's your AI news update. I'm Prince Ray Ray, and this has been powered by Xtream Solutions. Make sure to subscribe for daily AI updates. Thank you for watching. Visit us on the web at www.xtreamsolution.net.